Hello, good people. Greetings from Engramium AI, where we track down AI, automation, and cutting edge tech into simple, actionable steps. Now that you know who we are, let's focus on today's topic. If you want to build powerful AI apps and automation using Claude, the first thing you need is your Anthropic API key. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set it up the right way, including how to create your developer account, generate your API key, and activate it with credit so it works actually. This will only takes a few minutes, so let's dive in. Step number 1. Create a developer account. First, go to platform.claude.com. I will put this link in the video description. Even if you already have a paid Claude subscription, you still need to create separate Claude developer account to access the API. Once you are on the site, click on sign up. You can choose your preferred sign-in method, for example, continue with Google. For this video, we are going to click continue with Google, and then it will ask to choose the account. We'll choose this email address. Now we will hit continue. After completing this step, we need to enter the name. We will name it Engramium, and we will hit this checkbox. Now we will hit continue. Now you need to select whether you are signing up as an individual or an organization. For this demonstration, we are going to choose individual. After finishing the sign up process, you will land to the main dashboard, which is Claude Developer Console. Our first step is done. Step number 2. Generate your API key. To create your API keys, click on API keys and we will click create keys. From here, we need to name our keys. Let's give a name Engramium demo key. You can choose or create workplace, or you can use it default as well. After that, we click add, and that's it. Your API key has been generated. Important note is that Anthropic or Claude will only show your API key once. Make sure you copy and store it somewhere secure. If you lose it, you will need to generate a new one. Now we will close this one. We need to add credits, which is required. Your API key will not work until you add credits to your account. To do this, go to billing. In the left hand menu, click on buy credits. From here, by adding all the required details, we can buy $5 of credits. If you are just getting started, adding the minimum amount, usually 5, is more than enough. It will last longer than you think, and it's perfect for building your first apps or automations. And that's it. You are now ready to start using Claude via API in your own project. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more AI and automation tutorials. Happy automating!